Guru Gurvar. Since 2003, we have been handling our clients' trust. Trust in a way where we've handled their money to help them reach their financial goals. Today, I'll be showcasing a video wherein we've helped one of the architects towards reaching their financial goals. My name is Rajesh Attangadi, your Shubchintak, and without further ado, let's get invested.
I'm an architect. I've been into this industry for last 20 years and I run my own company, Arena Consultants. I always used to feel, I need to work hard because that is the way we are brought up. We are always told that in order to earn, you have to work hard. And with that mindset, I always used to think that okay, I should put in more efforts, I should get myself involved in good firms so that I get good pay. The thought never went on that okay, once you get that money, what would you do with it, or how would you deal with it? I did not have any goals with respect to money. I think it comes only, with good guidance. I had certain goals with respect to my profession, like how much I want to grow, what kind of what kind of projects I want to do, or 2 years down the line, what is the scale of projects I have to do. But in terms of money, how to get it, or what should be my target, what should be my turnover, those big figures, I really did not have any, any such understanding or any such thought given to such kind of goals.
When Archana came in first, she had brought in her own challenges. One is single mother, bringing up her 2 babies. One was her business, the profession that she is in, Arena Consultants. And second was a growing kid who is just about kind of sitting into the 12th. And looking forward to the best of education in the times to come. So that was a bigger challenge for me. Secondly, the money coming in and the money going out. So working capital requirements, the money scattered across in different investments and insurance plans was a big challenge for us to kind of get everything collated and then kind of disbursed in the right areas. Was a big challenge for us.
When we had the first discussion, first meeting, he set the targets for me. First was tax saving, which was always, it used to be very difficult because it comes towards the end of the year. So with this small, but valuable input, well in advance, I was it was easily possible for me to set aside my funds for tax saving purpose. That time my son was studying in 12th. Okay, he was just about to complete it, and I wanted to take his admission in some good, reputed college. So we started with that. First was taking admission, so I needed fund for that. Then intermediate, or like every year we have to pay some money for admission. So he set, like every year you kind of put aside some funds which are totally dedicated for his education. Then most important thing was he explained me the importance of putting in some amount for my retirement. That was one of the most important goal he set for me. So he made me realize that even when you are not working, you need to be independent financially. I have one big dream for myself. I want to grow my company to a 1 crore company. I would love to do it in next 1 year because I've already reached kind of 60% of that target in this year. But I want to live life also. So, I don't want to stress myself too much. I try to make my life simple by handing over, things to an expert like him. and just be careful. I trust him totally for this. Money is power in a way. So if you have good savings towards the second half of your life, or in the second innings of your life, then I think that should be good enough for anyone to lead a good life.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.